Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, knowing how to move your assets securely is crucial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw BNB from Binance to your Arculus wallet. This step-by-step guide will have you transferring your BNB in no time, keeping your funds safe and sound. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your Binance account set up and verified. You'll also need your Arculus wallet app installed on your device and ready to go. Arculus is a fantastic hardware wallet for secure storage, so if you haven't got one yet, it's worth checking out. Step 1. Log into your Binance account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section at the top of the page. This is where all your crypto assets are managed. Step 2. In the wallet overview, select Spot Wallet or Fiat and Spot, depending on the latest Binance interface in 2025. Look for BNB in your asset list and click on it to access the details. Step 3. Now, find and click the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. This is where you need your Arculus wallet address handy. Open your Arculus app, generate or select your BNB receiving address, and copy it carefully to avoid any mistakes. Step 4. Paste the address into the withdrawal form on Binance. Double-check that you're using the correct network. BNB typically uses BEP20 or BEP2, so confirm it matches your Arculus setup to prevent lost funds. Step 5. Enter the amount of BNB you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum thresholds and accounting for withdrawal fees. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, if prompted, security first. Step 6. Review all the details one last time, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Now, switch to your Arculus app and keep an eye out for the incoming transaction. It might take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn your BNB to your Arculus wallet. Remember, always double-check addresses and stay vigilant against scams. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.